Hanoi has a way of pulling you in. After exploring this city, I've moved past the typical tourist path to discover the rhythm of its streets and the hidden cafes that capture the soul of northern Vietnam. I'm here to show you how to truly experience this capital. In the next 20 minutes, we're going to chase the best banh mi, watch trains pass inches from our faces, and find the quietest, most beautiful corners of this vibrant city. Whether it's your first time in Vietnam or you're planning your dream trip, I've mapped out everything I've learned, from essential temples to navigating the local chaos, so you can make the most of every moment. Grab your coffee and let's dive into 4 days in Hanoi. Your adventure starts right now. The morning in Hanoi is best spent simply getting lost in the old quarter. This is where the city truly comes alive, a labyrinth of narrow, bustling streets that have been the heart of trade for centuries. Every turn offers something new, from the intricate architecture of the old tube houses to the constant, rhythmic pulse of motorbikes weaving through the crowds. There is an undeniable energy here, a beautiful chaos that forces you to put your map away and just soak in the sights, sounds, and history that define this ancient capital. After the excitement of the streets, I needed a quiet escape. I headed to a hidden favorite, Café Dình, which offers a stunning, elevated view overlooking Hoàn Kiếm Lake. This is the perfect spot to try Hanoi's famous egg coffee. It is incredibly rich and smooth, with a creamy, frothy egg layer resting on top of intense, dark coffee, almost like a liquid tiramisu. Now, we are heading toward the famous train street. After the morning walk, it felt great to get some fresh air while making our way through the maze of tracks. This spot is truly iconic. A narrow path where life happens just inches away from the iron rails. Checking the train schedule is simple. You can find the updated times online or just ask any of the cafe owners. They always know exactly when the next one is coming. While you wait, grab a fresh coconut water. There is nothing better for the humidity. And then, the moment arrives. The atmosphere completely shifts as the crowd goes quiet and the massive train rumbles through. It is a thrilling experience. Watching something so powerful pass so close to your table is something you can only really feel in Hanoi. It is a surreal, unforgettable highlight of the city. As the late afternoon sun begins to dip, the city takes on a golden glow, making it the perfect time to visit Ngọc Sơn Temple. Located on a small island in the heart of Hoàn Kiếm Lake. This temple is connected to the shore by the iconic Huc Bridge, a striking red wooden structure that stands out against the dark, calm water. Crossing that bridge feels like leaving the hectic pulse of the city behind and entering a space of quiet reflection. Once you reach the temple, you are surrounded by ancient trees and the peaceful sounds of the lake. This site is dedicated to legendary figures and scholars, and you can really feel the weight of history in the architecture and the incense-filled air. It is not just a tourist stop, it's a sanctuary. Spending time here, watching the light reflect off the lake as the evening settles in, offers a rare moment of stillness in a city that never seems to fully stop. To wrap up the day, I wanted to find somewhere special, so I headed to a place that is as unique as its name, Hidden Gem Cafe. True to its name, it is tucked away where you wouldn't expect it, but finding it is half the fun. Inside, the decoration is absolutely stunning. A cozy, artistic, and incredibly vibrant space. It is the ultimate spot for photos, with every corner designed for that perfect Instagram shot. Sitting here with a drink, surrounded by such creative decor, is the perfect way to recharge. It's a true hidden gem in every sense of the word. We're starting day 2 with a view that is hard to beat. I headed straight to Serene Cafe for a morning coffee, where you get a perfect elevated perspective of the historic Long Biên Bridge. Watching the morning traffic flow past such an iconic piece of industrial history while sipping a coffee is the ultimate way to wake up in Hanoi. From the city streets, we're heading out to the emerald waters of Halong Bay. Sailing through these thousands of towering limestone karsts feels like entering another world. It's a surreal, breathtaking landscape that lives up to every bit of its World Heritage reputation. The scale of this place is something you have to see to truly believe. To end the day on a high note, I visited Angelina at the Sofitel Legend. It is a stunning, upscale bar with a sophisticated vibe that feels like a hidden slice of luxury. It's the perfect, polished spot to unwind with a cocktail and reflect on an unforgettable day. We're kicking off our busy day 3 at the Temple of Literature, Hanoi's first university. Walking through these peaceful courtyards, you feel the weight of history that spans nearly 1,000 years. It was dedicated to Confucius and has been a sanctuary for scholars and students for generations. The architecture is impeccably preserved, with lush gardens and traditional pavilions that offer a rare sense of calm. It's a profound look into the country's academic past and a must-visit for anyone wanting to understand the soul of Hanoi. You can almost hear the echoes of the scholars who once studied here. After the temple, I needed a change of pace, so I headed to Tranquil Books and Coffee. As the name suggests, It's a quiet, refined escape filled with books and tucked away from the city noise. It's the perfect place to sit, read, and simply watch the world go by with a great cup of coffee in hand. In the afternoon, I visited Maison Centrale, the former prison, also known as the Hanoi Hilton. Walking through these walls is a sobering experience that puts the country's history into perspective. It's a powerful, moving sight that forces you to reflect on the resilience and the stories of those who were held here long after you leave. For a late lunch, I stopped by the famous Hong Hui's restaurant. The food here is authentic, comforting, and packed with flavor. It was actually fun to watch them teach other customers the secret to making the perfect egg coffee right at their table. I decided to branch out and tried their signature coconut coffee. The blend of creamy coconut and robust coffee was an absolute game changer. If you're in the area, this is the spot for a real taste of local cuisine. As the sun began to dip, I strolled down to West Lake to catch the sunset behind the Tran Quoc Pagoda. This is the oldest Buddhist temple in the city, and seeing it silhouetted against the vibrant orange sky is magical. The calm waters of the lake create such a stunning reflection. It's easily one of the most picturesque and serene spots in all of Hanoi, the perfect way to transition into the evening. To wrap up the evening, I grabbed a quick drink at the lively beer street before heading to the legendary Café Giảng. Café Giảng. This is the oldest spot for egg coffee, but I had to try something different. I ordered an egg beer. It's a wild, unique experience that you absolutely have to try at least once while you're here. After a long day, I ended the night with a quiet walk around Hoàn Kiếm Lake. Seeing the Ngọc Sơn Temple illuminated against the dark water, glowing in the heart of the city, was the perfect final image of the day. On our final day, we headed out to the Silk Village. It's a beautifully quiet escape from the city centre, where you can watch the traditional craft of silk weaving in real time. It's such a peaceful process to observe. I should mention, though, that if you're visiting for those iconic umbrella-lined streets, sometimes they are removed for maintenance, but the village itself remains just as charming. There is a slow, meditative pace to this place that you don't find anywhere else in the capital, making it a perfect, low-key start to the day. Next, we made our way toward the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum. As we approached, we passed through the administrative heart of the city. The government buildings here are stunning, with wide boulevards and an impressive, formal architecture that feels completely different from the narrow streets of the old quarter. We definitely needed a boost, so we stopped for a coffee at a unique spot, a Harry Potter-themed cafe. It's such a fun, creative space that completely leans into the magic of the books. It's a whimsical, light-hearted place to sit down, recharge, and enjoy a coffee surrounded by all the Wizarding World decor. After the coffee, we took a long walk down Phan Dinh Phung Street. This is easily one of the most beautiful streets in Hanoi, lined with massive, ancient trees that create a natural canopy over the road. It's a favorite spot for locals, and you'll see people out exercising, practicing Tai Chi, or just enjoying the morning air. There is something so elegant about this walk. It feels like the lungs of the city. It's the perfect place to slow down and really appreciate the local lifestyle away from the main tourist hubs. Back in the old quarter, we caught a traditional water puppet show. There are several show times throughout the day, and it's such a fun, unique piece of Vietnamese culture to watch. After that, we ended our trip the only way we knew how, heading back to Beer Street. It is the heart of Hanoi's nightlife, packed with energy, loud music, and street-side clubs. It's a complete sensory shift from the quiet morning, but it's the perfect, high-energy way to celebrate the end of an incredible journey. Thank you so much for joining me on this 4-day adventure through Hanoi. I hope this guide helps you plan your own trip to this amazing city. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. You won't want to miss my upcoming guide to Ubud, Bali, and many more adventures coming your way soon. See you in the next one.